Okay, here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your shelves. I'm doing two 6-foot shelves. You're going to need your hang track. I got a 80-inch hanging track. And then you're gonna need these little supports that are gonna hang from the horizontal track. And these go vertically. And you're going to need these at least every 24 inches of your shelves. And so you'll have to figure out how many you'll need for width and height of your project. I got four 4-foot ones to hang from my track. So here was my rough little plan. I just wrote out how wide the wall was, kind of estimated how many shelves. The website recommended these vertical supports no more than every 24 inches apart and no more than 4 inches from the end of your shelf. So those were kind of the rules that you just want to keep in mind. And other than that, you're going to need these brackets to latch into the vertical supports. I got this hardware. All of it comes with this, it says Everbuilt. It came from Home Depot. On the Home Depot website, they call everything Closetmaid, but apparently now it's been rebranded, it seems, as Everbuilt. So everything I got was for the Everbuilt regular duty. They have heavy duty, that is another color, and then they had another kind. So just make sure that whatever you're getting is from the same line. All this is blue, regular duty, and same for my closet supports. We got the sub finder. This is not going to be my closet rod, some end caps, leveler, driver, drill, and the master plan. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so here I am using the stud finder to see where my studs are. Mine ended up being 16 inches apart, and that was super handy because the horizontal track had holes that were 16 inches apart. So the instructions said to install it directly into the stud, put in the center one, level it out, and then secure the others. The holes that were not aligned with a stud, I put a anchor into the drywall and then secured those holes. Then we can hang the horizontal standards and secure those to the wall using the hole towards the center of the standard. I'm using the leveler. It's handy. It kind of attaches to the side magnetically to make sure that everything is straight. Okay, now that the vertical rods are in place, all I had to do was clip in the brackets, snap on the shelves, and install the closet rod. So here was our before, not a whole lot of storage, and the before and after.